Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today I am going to talk about the testing careers, software testing careers in IT software field, especially for the freshers. So let us start the presentation. First of all, I will introduce myself. Myself is Manish Deshmukh and graduate engineer in mechanical with 5 plus years of experience in mechanical field and 15 plus years of experience in IT software field. Worked in manual testing as well as automation testing. Worked on different domains, technologies. Now working in one of the IT MNCs. So I have been into software testing for more than 15 years. So now coming to freshers from different fields. Now freshers are coming from different fields from thousands of colleges across India. We maybe from MSc Computers, MCA, BE, BTech, ME, MTech. So lots of freshers are coming out every year, and they are not getting the jobs. Everyone is not getting the jobs. Some of them are getting the jobs through campus interview, and for non-campus, they are struggling a lot for the jobs in IT and different fields also. So, what are the technologies in today's market? There are many different technologies in today's market. Different technologies available in the market are development like Java, .NET, CBL, PeopleSoft, SAP, mainframe, testing like manual testing, automation testing, databases like Oracle, SQL Server. These are the different technologies, as well as nowadays AI and ChatGPT also booming well. So these are the different technologies which we come across in the software. Now, which technology to choose and why to choose software testing? Technology to choose means like for development, those who have knowledge of coding, they can develop the softwares very well. And in testing, manual testing, those who do not have any knowledge of coding, they can also be the part of manual testing. Now, database, those who have knowledge of databases, queries, etc. So these are the things. And why to choose software testing means in software testing there is no coding. So just we have to go through the requirement documents, and understand the application requirements of client, write the test cases and execute them manually. So it is very easy. I will show you the demo at the end. One of the example demo I will show you at the end. So why to choose software testing is because there is no coding and nothing to code about the application. So that is why, and the demand is high in the market. That is why. Introduction to software testing. Manual testing is a software process testing process in which testers execute test cases manually without using any automated tools or scripts. The goal of manual testers is to identify the defects or bugs in the software by simulating end user behavior. For example, I will take the shirt. So, guys, whenever you go to the shops or malls to purchase the shirt or pant, you see the quality of the product, right? Quality in the sense what? Height, width, tear. Is there any tear in the shirt or pant? Color of the shirt, pant. Then pocket is there, pockets are there or not in the shirt and pant. So these are the requirements which which should be going. So like that only in software development, the same application will be there with some bugs and defects like what we have learned from the shirts and pants. Like that, some defects may be there in the software also. I will give the demo at the last. Introduction to automation testing. Now, what is automation testing is, it is a process of where test scripts or tools are used to automatically execute the test cases, compare actual results with the expected outcomes, and report the findings. The goal of automation testing is to increase the efficiency, effectiveness, and coverage of the testing process, particularly for repetitive and time consuming tasks that would be difficult or impractical to perform manually. So, in automation testing, what we do is we use the tools. There are different tools in the market nowadays. So, like for example, Selenium is there, booming nowadays. Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python, then VB, QTP, UFT tool, Unified Functional Tool. That tool requires VB scripting, rational robot, then robot framework. There are many tools coming up in the market nowadays. So this is automation testing. I will not go in depth into automation testing now. Now, career opportunities in testing for freshers. What are the career opportunities? There are a lot of career opportunities in the market for software testing because there is high demand for the clients from the clients. High demand because client does not want the softwares to be defectless softwares they want. So it is mandatory to test the application before it delivers to the client. Okay, freshers can easily grab the opportunities in testing because it is easy to learn. You can make best career in software testing. You will get good package in testing as a fresher and so on. So the guys, don't bother about the opportunities in testing. There are a lot of opportunities coming up, and testers place is very important in the software development life cycle. So coming to the next, advantages and disadvantages of testing. So improved quality, cost effective, increased reliability, faster time to market, compliance and security, boost confidence. How to boost confidence means, if we give quality of software to the clients, confidence automatically boosts up. So these are the advantages. Now the disadvantages are time consuming. Manual testing is a time consuming thing, expensive because there are as compared to automation, resources required are more in the manual testing. Then manually we have to execute the test cases. That is why inadequate coverage means we may not cover 100% testing. That is the thing. Maintenance overhead is for automation. Maintenance of scripts is one of the challenge. Test data management is also a challenging thing. Now testing training. So testing training means you can learn from anywhere, online or offline. Earn and comfortable, easy and comfortable to learn for freshers. No program is required for manual testing. You can learn with dummy projects in the training. You will get hands-on experience. After training, you can make CV and apply for jobs easily. You can get good packages also in the testing. So testing training, you can go for offline or online, anything you want. There are many institutes across all India, all the cities, metro cities. There are many lot of good institutes which provide the software testing courses. So you can go for that. And it is easy and comfortable to learn the testing, manual testing for freshers. There is no coding, nothing. You can do dummy projects in the training. You can practice the dummy projects in the training. You will get hands-on experience. Demo example of testing. Now I told you at last I will give the demo or example of the testing. Like what is exactly the software testing? What what is to be done on the application of software application. So guys, you know Gmail, right? You can take the Gmail application. So how you will log into the Gmail? You will open the page, Gmail page. Then you will enter the user ID, enter the password, and click the login button. Now the user ID and password must be valid. Then only you will go to the inbox. Otherwise, it will throw an error like invalid password or invalid username. So that is a bug. That is called a defect. Now sometimes the login button is disabled. That is also a bug. So that has to be fixed. Until unless you fix that, you cannot go ahead. So this is the demo. So guys, testing is a very important part of IT software industry nowadays. Clients demand is very high, and freshers who do not know the coding, who are afraid of the coding, they can come into manual testing and make their career well here. That is the thing. So I am going to take the manual testing course ahead of this. After this session, I will post the videos alternate days. On alternate days, I will post the videos. So manual testing you can learn from my sessions. It is a free of cost. Then you require to concentrate on the training. That's it. So alternative days I will post the videos, manual testing videos. Today is the just introduction part I have taken. From next time we will start the manual testing. Thank you guys very much. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe the channel so that you can get the notifications whenever I post the video. Thank you very much.